So right now we're there at downtown Brampton. Some protests are going on, we don't know how, so we're going to find out right now. So I say, Miller TV and the news, on the street.
Set this up properly with you guys. We were not told that you guys were marching.
We will not go to the property, sir. We already told you.
Okay, so here's
not touch
okay,
his
so
property.
private
Promise, our promise.
Arrest him. He came here. He came here without my permission on my property. Arrest him and let's see what happens afterwards. How effective the police department
That is the private property.
Okay.
Sir, that is the private property.
We won't go
The
any
people are
private
standing
property.
there.
we are not going.
Sir, I cannot follow you all the way down Highway 10.
Sir,
We are
why
not
not,
going.
sir? Why not?
What we
You are
said
for
is-
us.
I have to
Sir,
ensure
you
your
are for
safety.
us.
You are alert.
You are for the public,
My
sir.
friend, you guys are alert.
You are for
Why
us.
are blocking us now?
You are for
I gave
us.
assurance, officer. We will go there and we'll come back. Why are blocking us?
Okay, so where are you?
We are not going any private
I
property.
need to hear you say where you're going.
Yes, we are going to walk on the sidewalk.
Okay, so once you get to those
Yes,
officers,
sir.
then
Come
you
with
guys
us,
can come
sir.
back.
Yeah, we don't want to come back, but you are forcing to come back, then we will come.
No, no,
because you are forcing us.
Yeah.
We are peacefully
Through the
march.
media, we are
going
telling,
peacefully
we are
march.
telling
You are
you
forcing us.
through the
because
media,
you are not-
like
Okay.
all the media
So,
was,
you are
all the
forcing us.
country
We are getting
watch.
publicity.
All
Let
the-
Do I have
all
your
the-
assurances?
all
We
the
are
country-
getting publicity.
Sir,
This is
all the
very good.
country watch you and what you are doing. This
on,
is
guys,
wrong
come on.
thing, sir.
Okay.
This is really wrong. Very
Peaceful.
wrong. Okay, कोई नहीं बोलूँगा. Like उससे तक अधिक peaceful जाना.
Please. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Very good.
हाँ जी माइक प्रेमवीर जी माइक चालू करो
Hello, hello. All the media through, we just let you know, guys. We are law-abiding citizens, and police is only for the leaders, which is really shameful. And media reported all the things like why police officers they are only for the leaders. We are the citizen of the country, and they don't listen to us. And why? It means they are stopping. It means the leaders are corrupted. Leaders are corrupted. There is something wrong. There is fishy. That's why they are stopping us. We don't have any weapon. We just are law-abiding citizens, and we just want to have. We are here for our rights. That's it. They are not listening. This is. We are just going very peacefully, and I think we are not interrupting to anybody. We are on public property, and we are not going to the private property. And everybody has the right to against
show the camera how much
are-
police they pay
leaders are really scared
for tax for like
and about
on the weekend
We are here.
overtime
So basically 250 protesters and 50 cops covering them. Wow. I like it. I like it. I like it. Appreciate police force. Really appreciate
we are
police
really,
force.
we are really appreciating the police officers here, but I would like to best to everybody like you are for the public, not for the leaders only.
No, let's go from there.
You've been told you gave your assurance
No, I
back
gave
then.
that.
You gave your assurance, so that's it. You're not coming back this way. You're not going to go back that way to City Hall.
Okay.
You can go back to City Hall if you said.
Why are you asking the
You
people?
didn't give me your answer. don't like it. I'm sorry. You can go
like
back
us?
to City Hall.
You don't like us?
Right, you don't like the answer. I'm sorry you don't like that. Go back to City Hall.
No, basically, they don't like our assurance. So that's the reason.
Are you not giving?
You've been getting your answer.
And we are not.
You've been getting your answer.
I'm asking.
Okay, I'm not going in circles.
Come on, I'm asking. Are
You
you
can go back to City Hall and protest.
I'm asking one thing. Are you not?
I'm not answering.
Why?
Why not, sir?
You've already been given
Why
your
not?
answer.
No, no. I'm not asking to go further. I'm asking.
Then you can go back to City Hall and protest there.
You are not supposed to tell us where to go.
I'm telling you that that's what I'm doing. You can go back to City Hall.
It means all the country watch you what you are doing through the media.
That's
right?
okay. They are being
That's
paid
fine.
for it.
That's fine. Like you are not for the public, right?
No.
Huh?
That's your opinion.
Okay, he said okay.
Yeah.
It means you are not for the citizen of the country, right? Hold on. You are not for the citizen of the country, right? And you are only for the leaders, right? Am I right or wrong? We have the right.
Yeah, my friend, they are working on the
You are
signal
working for the public or you are working for the only leader?
Even the police chief is working on the signals of Mayor Brown. What we can expect from the police?
Who made the
What we can expect from
public
police?
made the leader, sir?
This police is a private police. It's not a public police anymore.
Not only the leaders, only the
You know, so our message to WAC is very clear that we want to give a strong message to Mayor Brown and City Council that they cannot hide longer from the residents. They cannot. Public is watching.
He's
that
gonna
we
go
are very
back to Barry
peaceful.
next time.
We are very peaceful.
Definitely
We are
he's gonna go
law-abiding
back.
citizens, and we are deprived of our right to protest even the walk, even from the mayor house. Who is paying for the mayor's salary? We are paying for the mayor's salary. We have the right to ask him the
they are
question.
live on the salary
and they are
alone.
snatching the money from the people's pocket.
Is the increase of 8.4% right? If it is right, where the taxpayer money is going? It is going in corruptions. It is going in payment of the CEO's salary, who is not on the payroll. It is going in the corruption for the 175 Sandalwood Parkway building, $55 million is gone there. It is going on the increase of the council's salaries. It is going on the increase of the 8.2% salary of the Brampton staff. They are increasing 8.4% and they are increasing the salary and they are cutting all the budget. My friend, my fellow Bramptonian, look at the budget 2025. You will be surprised to know the services are cut to bone. Cut to bone. Cut to bone. That's our duty. See what Mayor Brown is doing. What the city council is doing. They are not accountable. They are not transparent. They are not responsible. And why? The residents are organizing the town halls. We are inviting them. We are sending them the email. Please come and listen our concern. Why they are not coming? Why they are just going on the private events? They are going in the park and he's coming to the flag hosting ceremony. Why Mayor doesn't have the courage? Mayor doesn't have the courage to meet the people. Why he's organized only the Delhi town hall? This mayor had no courage to face the people of Brampton in person because he's corrupt. He's liar. He just wants to divide the communities. He is dividing our community based on the countries, based on the geographical area, based on the color, based on the religion. He has taken every tactics to divide us. But I want to give a strong message to my Bramptonians. Please, please, please ignore this mayor. Don't invite him in any event. Don't invite him in any event because he's dividing us. And see the power he's using on us. We are very peaceful residents. We are peaceful, very peaceful protesters. We never took a law in our hand. Even the police is appreciating us. I got a call from superintendent and other officers who they said in the past, we have seen the history that you are very peaceful. Every demonstration, whether it was for the rental license, that is stupidity of Brown, or the protest which they are